Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious pasta Gongura curry. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need macaroni pasta, fresh Gongura leaves, and essential cooking oil. We'll also use aromatic spices like cumin, coriander, turmeric, and garam masala to build our flavor profile. Don't forget your fresh vegetables like onions, green chilies, and tomatoes, along with ginger garlic paste. Now, let's get our main components ready. Begin by boiling about 2 cups of water, adding a pinch of salt and a few drops of oil to prevent sticking. Cook your macaroni pasta for approximately 4 to 5 minutes until it's perfectly al dente. Separately, sauté your fresh Gongura leaves in 2 tablespoons of oil until they become soft and mushy. Remember to strain your pasta and rinse it with cool water. Next, we'll build the flavorful curry base. In the same pan, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Sauté 1 chopped onion, 3 to 4 green chilies, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste until fragrant. Then, add 2 chopped tomatoes and cook them until they soften. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt, a pinch of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala for that authentic taste. For the final step, let's bring everything together. Gently add your perfectly cooked macaroni pasta to the rich curry base, mixing it carefully to avoid mashing. Now, incorporate the sautéed Gongura leaves, ensuring they are well distributed throughout the dish. Cook this delightful combination on a low flame for about 5 minutes. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve your pasta Gongura curry hot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.